Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the UGREEN 4-port USB 3.2 Gen 2 hub. This was designed for Windows, Mac and Linux. It should have a transmission of 10 gigabytes. It's plug and play. The cable is your normal kind of 0.2 meters or 0.7 feet short cable. It's made of premium aluminum shell and works with high power devices. We are already used to the good quality of products from UGREEN, and as you can see they include a few things. This is the user instructions. This is to recycle, and this is a bit more information about how you can use it. And you can see you can use it for a camera, for a golden access adapter, which I'm not sure what it is, mobile phone, USB humidifier, USB key, USB flash drive, mouse, card reader, keyboard, fan. So yeah, pretty much any USB-C device operated. So let's just take it out. So like usually they have this covered, which I really like. We'll put that aside. Let's take all this, and as you can see, each of them, they will support up to 10 gigabytes per second, and it's done like this. Wow, that's good quality. And it's aluminium, and you have the 4 USB-C ports and your usually braided thick cable, and it's reinforced in there, which is really good to see. So let's just have a quick look and test it. Yeah, so the way I'm going to test it, as you can see, I've plugged in into a laptop, and I'm using the Samsung portable SSD T7, which should be quite rapid. So let me just turn off the light. Hopefully you can see. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit. Okay, so as you can see, it's already in, and you can open it really fast. Yeah. So the way you're gonna do it, we're gonna just run the crystal disk, and we'll see, what kind of reading it's getting. That's the D drive. So let's just run. So what I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'll show you when it's finished. Okay guys, so it finished. It's been a couple of, maybe a minute or two. Yeah, so as you can see, the results are like this. So obviously best results, if it was a slower device, it wouldn't show these good results, so I think it's really good. Obviously I don't have something that will allow 10 gig transfer rate. That would be probably quite expensive, but as you can see, the transfer rate read write is really good. So yeah, there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. So let's just go back into the normal, and yeah, this is the UGREEN 10 gig, and you get 4 ports. Thank you for watching.